Today we're answering the question, can FEMA require me to elevate my property? This is a question we recently got on our website from someone going through a flood insurance claim. And today we want to take time to answer this question for you. Hello, my name is Greene, president and owner of the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're answering the question is, can FEMA require me to elevate my property? Now what we're talking about here is the properties that have experienced flood damage. So that you say that you've had more than 50% of the market value of your home in flood damage, then this makes a property generally substantially damaged. This means that if a house was built in 1950, you would follow the floodplain management guidelines back then. When it becomes substantially improved or damaged, it becomes the current year. This means that floodplain management guidelines are completely different than they were in 1950. This means that in 1950, you may have only had an elevation of 100 feet you had to build at. Today, that might be 110 feet. This means that potentially FEMA could require you to raise your property 10 feet in order to be able to get flood insurance in the future and to be able to even get permits to follow certain things. So they absolutely can require you to do certain things when we're talking about substantially damaged properties. So then what's substantially improved maybe? Well, that's a property maybe you decide to make an addition to. It's a property that maybe you improve more than 50% of the market value during a given year. So it's important to understand these things when it comes to substantially damaged and substantially improved properties, is these can cause big problems whether FEMA requires you to elevate. They require you to fill in a basement. They won't give you any permits until these things are done. And if you're an investor, now you may be stuck holding on to a property where you can't collect rent. You can't sell it. So it's very important that if you're buying a property and you're thinking about substantially improving it, or you're going through a flood claim process like this, you know what's going to happen in the future. So if you've got questions about this, or you're ready to go ahead and put flood insurance in place because maybe you didn't have it, click below to visit our website, floodinsuranceguru.com. It's 3 simple steps. Step 1, fill out the form on our website. Step 2, connect with one of our flood education specialists. Step 3, pick the plan that best fits your needs. Thank you.